Welcome back to Tool Bag Tuesday. Today I've got a hand cleaning product here. The heavy duty cleaning wipes. It's called Tub of Towels. I stumbled on these somewhere not that long ago, probably Tractor Supply or something, and then have been buying them off of Amazon ever since. These things are just awesome. I'll have them for weeks or months, and even after you open the thing, they stay moist. And you can see my hands are fairly filthy right now. And I don't have a sink out here in the shop, so it's just nice to be able to sometimes come in and wash your hands off. You know, maybe it's just time to sit down at the table and have a beer and relax for a few minutes, and you really don't want your hands all nasty on that something you're trying to drink out of and put up to your face. They also do a great job of keeping my table clean. So anyway, it's a real simple one. It's just a handy wipe or a towel, moist towelette, whatever you call them. Tub of towels. I'll put links to the description, and you can find them on Amazon. Like I said, probably at Tractor Supply, I think is where I got them the first time. But please like and subscribe, hit the bell for notifications. There'll be links in the description to this. And I'll see you next time on Tool Bag Tuesday.